Hi children, today you are going to learn ninth class 4th chapter, that is lines and angles, in that exercise 4.3. So this 4.3 exercise completely depends on when two lines are parallel and one line intersecting these two parallel lines in two distinct points, then the angles formed immediately, 8 angles will form here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here already we discussed, here L is parallel to M and N is a transversal. L is a transversal. When two lines are parallel and one line is passing through the two parallel lines, then the line is called as a transversal. Then 8 angles will form. So we know their corresponding angles are equal. What are the corresponding angle here? Angle 1 is corresponding angle to the angle 5. Corresponding angle in the sense, the same side of the transversal. The same side of the transversal. One is interior, one exterior angle is known as a corresponding angles. One exterior angle, one interior angle, but not adjacent angles. Should not take adjacent angles. Angle 1 equal to angle 5. Then here angle 2 equal to angle 6. These also called as the corresponding angles. Then next side, angle 4 equal to angle 8. Corresponding angle only. Angle 3 equal to angle 7. These angles are equal and these angles are known as a corresponding angles. Then alternative interior angles. Alternative interior angles. Alternative interior angles and alternative exterior angles. Alternative interior angles is here 3 and 5 are alternative interior angles. So angle 3 equal to angle 5. Here angle 2 equal to angle 8. Alternative interior angles. Alternative angles is the both side of transversal. Okay. Here left side and right side. Right side and left side. So here these kind of angles here, angle 3 equal to angle 5, angle 2 equal to angle 8, alternative interior angles you can see. And in the same way, alternative exterior angles. Alternative exterior angles. That means see, angle 4 equal to angle 6, angle 1 equal to angle 7. Angle 4 equal to angle 6, angle 1 equal to angle 7. Alternative exterior angles. Then vertically opposite angles here, angle 2 equal to angle 4, vertically opposite angles also equal. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. What are the vertically opposite angles here? Angle 4 equal to angle 2, vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 equal to angle 3, vertically opposite angle. Angle 8 equal to angle 6, vertically opposite angles. Angle 5 equal to angle 7, vertically opposite angles. Yes, these angles are equal, and sum of any two adjacent angles equal to 180 degree. That means angle 1 plus angle 4 180, angle 1 plus angle 2 180, angle 3 plus 2 180, angle 5 plus angle 6 180. Wherever you get a semicircle, there you will get a 180. And sum of two adjacent angles of same side of the transversal also give us 180 degrees. Here angle 2 plus angle 5 also will be equal to 180 degrees. Sum of two adjacent angles of the same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal angles will give us 180 degrees. Here angle 2 plus angle 5 180, angle 1 plus angle 6 180 degrees. So angle 4 plus angle 3 180 degrees, angle 3 plus angle 8 180 degrees, angle 8 plus angle 7 also equal to 180 degrees. These are the basic things are required. Already we have done a video based on this. I hope you understood this basic class. Yes, so we'll continue our exercise with this basic class. Completely this exercise based on this class only. So you should know the aware about alternative angles, alternative interior, alternative exterior angles and corresponding angles, vertically opposite angles, same side of the transversal angles will be equal to 180 degrees. These all things are very helpful to do this exercise. So okay, without wasting time, let's get into the class. Here in the exercise there are overall 19 questions are there. From that we'll divide into some partitions. I will teach you complete this exercise in 3 or 4 videos. Okay, completely. The first question, okay, here they have given some questions. Before that they have given one diagram here. Let's see the diagram. Already we have discussed about this diagram just now. Yes. Angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here they are given some statement. Here there is a reason. Here there is a reason. Okay, first statement is that L is parallel to M. How can you say L is parallel to M? So here L is parallel to M because here if you take any two angles, here if angle 1 plus angle 8, if you do it you will get 180 degrees. So here angle 1 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degrees. This is what is given in the fourth question only. The same thing, that's what I am taking. So here sum of two exterior angles of same side of the transversal. Here the reason is that sum of two exterior angles of same side of transversal is equal to 180 degrees. So sum of the same side of the transversal, sum of two exterior angles of same side of the transversal equal to 180 degrees. So that here this L is parallel to M. Why we have taken angle 1 plus angle 8? Because here in the fourth question they have given only angle 1 plus angle 8 equal to already 180 degrees. So I have taken the same example here. Then second, angle 1 is equal to angle 5. How can you say that angle 1 equal to angle 5? So if angle 1 equal to angle 5, what kind of angles are these? See that these two, one exterior angle, one interior angle of same side of the transversal. So they are called as a corresponding. They are called corresponding angles. They are called as a corresponding angles. Then third one, here angle 5 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degrees. So angle 5 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degrees. Which kind of angles they are? Linear pair angles. You might be heard about these kind of angles. Linear pair and angles. If sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees, they are called as a linear pair angles. If sum of two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees, they are called as a linear pair angles. So the condition of angle 5 plus angle 8 equal to 180 degrees. Then fourth one is angle 1 plus angle 8 equal to 180 degrees. Already they are given here. So what kind of angles they are? Angle 1 plus angle 8. Same thing here. Sum of two exterior angles. Sum of two exterior angles of the same side of transversal. Sum of two exterior angles of the same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal. Then the fifth question here, angle 1 is supplement to angle 8. So angle 1 is a supplementary angle of angle 8 itself. Angle 1 is supplementary angle of angle 8. That means angle 1 plus angle 8 equal to 180 degrees. So angle 1 plus angle 8 equal to 180 degrees. So what kind of angle? And the same reason again, it comes the same reason that sum of two exterior angles of the same side of the transversal is 180 degrees. With this first bit is completed. Only they have given some statement. Why these statements are true? According to that, two lines and one line is transversal. According to that diagram, we have to write the reasons here. We have already written. So let's go for second question now. Go for the second question. Yes. For every question, diagram is necessary here. We must draw the diagram. So always the diagrams has to be drawn by using proper instruments, our geometrical instruments, scale, pencil. Okay, you have to write your notes by using scales and pencils. A, B, C, D, E, F. Yes. So here also given that in the adjacent figure AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. According to the Euclid's elements, if one thing is parallel to other one, then the next one is also will be equal. That means AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. That means here AB is also parallel to EF. That we need to mind it. And then here has given that GT, given that angle Y is to angle Z equal to 3 is to 7. Then RTP, we need to find out value of X. We need to find out the X in this figure. So let us find out the value of X here. Yes. So first of all, before you write the value of X, let us once again we go for the diagram and we look at the diagram very clearly. We'll apply something here. When if CD is parallel to EF, when you observe when CD is parallel to EF, as we can say that here vertically opposite angles are equal then. So here if it is angle Y, here also should come as a angle Y only. So sum of these two angles will give us 180 degrees. So what we get, angle Y plus angle Z equal to, that means here not angles, directly you write Y plus Z. Y plus Z is equal to 180 degrees. Here Y plus Z equal to 180 degrees. The reason is that sum of two angles of same side of the transversal. Sum of two angles of same side of the transversal. Same side of the same side of the transversal sum of two angles. Sum of two angles of the same side of the transversal is equal to 180 degrees. So here they have given a ratio that Y plus Z, Y is to Z equal to Y is to Z is equal to 3 is to 7, and we know that sum of these angles Y plus Z is equal to 180 degrees. Already here we have written 180 degrees. Sum of these ratios, let us take sum of the ratios. Sum of the ratio is equal to 3 plus 7, that equal to 10. That means here angle Y and angle Z, the sum of these two is 180 degrees. So this 180 degrees they have divided into the 10 parts. From the 3 parts are given to angle Y, 7 parts are given to angle Z. So let us find out here what is angle Y. Y part if you require, the given ratio by sum of the ratio into total angle is what? 180 degrees. So here 1010 get cancelled, 3 into 80, that is 54 degrees. So as we got that angle Y equal to 54 degrees, but we don't require the Y angle, we require only X. We need to find out the X value. Suppose if you observe these two angles now, angle Z is not required here. So now, so we'll write here now angle Z also you can find out the 7 by 10 into 180. So that you will get angle Z, but we don't require angle Z here, we require only X. So we know that here X plus Y equal to also 180 degrees, the same side of the transversal, sum of the same side of the transversal. Okay, the angles same side of the transversal will give us 180 degrees. The angles, same side of the transversal angles. So here I already y value we know 54 degrees. So x plus 54 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. This 54 degrees you transfer this side, x equal to 180 degrees minus 54 degrees. So x equal to 126 degrees. So we got the x value, that is 120 degrees, 126 degrees. This is what we require. So this we can do it if you know the properties very well. So we have to practice the properties. Then two lines are parallel, one line is transversal. Then we have to learn all the conditions of corresponding angles, alternative internal angles, alternative external angles. These things we have to must and should know it to solve these kind of problems. So we go for the third one now. Here question number 3. Before you have to understand the question, once we have to go through the diagram clearly. What's the diagram actually? Here I'll draw the diagram. Everything we have to understand in the diagram. Then only we can do it clearly. Yes. Here it is G. Here it is A. Here it is C. Here B and D. This is E. This is 90 degrees, and here is F. So let us see that what is given actually. Given that, okay, in the adjacent figure, AB is parallel to CD. Yes, AB line is parallel to CD line. It is given, and EF is perpendicular to CD. EF is perpendicular to CD. So that we will be knowing that here and here it will be perpendicular only. Both are perpendicular lines, straight lines. So here it will be also, it is 90 degrees. That you need to be remember. Okay. Then here also given that angle GED equal to 126 degrees. Angle EGD, that means this complete angle. Angle GED, this complete angle is 126 degrees. But here the angle we already know, this is 90 degrees. But the angle from here to here, that is 126 degrees. Then RTP required to find. What we need to find here, let us see. The first one, find out angle AGE. The second one here, angle GEF. And the third one here, angle FGE. So these are the three things we need to find out from this information. Okay, first of all, we can find out that angle GEF, the second one we can find out easily. Okay, so we go for the proof. So here in the second one, how can we find out directly? See that we need to find out this, the complete angle. See that GEF, G to E, E to F, that means this angle. Okay, the complete angle is 120 degrees, 126 degrees, and here this angle is 90 degrees. Here to here this angle is 90 degrees. Okay, from complete here to here, that is 120 degrees. That means 126 minus 90 degrees if you do it. So now the first angle GEF is equal to angle GEF equal to angle GED, angle GED minus angle FED. So angle GED already given 126 degrees minus angle FED, that is perpendicular in the sense 90 degrees only. So we know the 90 degrees. So here you will get 36 degrees. So you will get 36 degrees. Yes. What angle GEF is equal to 36 degrees. This will be a 36 degrees. See, 36 plus 90 complete 126 degrees. That is completed. So the second one is completed. The next one, what we need to find out, see, AGE. AGE. This is what we need to find out. Okay, AGE we need to find out. So AGE, how can we find out the AGE here? AGE. So here AGE are called as a corresponding angles actually. Which are the, alternative angles. AGE is alternative angle of GED. Okay, so here when your AB is parallel to CD and here GE is a transversal. GE is a transversal. GE is a transversal. Then angle AGE is equal to angle GED. Here this is called as a alternative interior angles. Alternative interior angles are equal. Alternative interior angles are equal. AGE is equal to GED. So here angle AGE is equal to. So already we know that angle GED, that is 126 degrees. The second one also we have completed. That is 2 we have. Then third one. What is FGE? F to G, G to E. What will be this angle? This angle we need to find out. Simple. So here already this angle is a linear pair angle. So here, now the third one, here we have started the second one. Okay, now we go for the third one here. Yes. What is the third one? FGE. Here we need to find out. Now here angle AGE plus angle FGE equal to 180 degrees. That means angle AGE, this angle F to G, G to E, this angle. Sum of these two angles equal to 180 degrees. That is linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. So linear pair angles will give us 180 degrees now. So already we know that AGE is 120 degrees plus FGE. This is what we need to find out. So this 126 degrees you transfer this side. So angle FGE is equal to 180 degrees minus 126 degrees. Then angle FGE is equal to, that is 54 degrees. So we have got all the three answers which we need to find out from this figure. Thus you got that AGE equal to 126 degrees, GEF equal to 36 degrees and FGE is equal to 54 degrees. I hope you understood this problem. Next, we go for the fourth problem now. Just we need to use our mind a lot here. Which property is useful here? That is what we need to think. Corresponding angles, or alternative angles, or vertically opposite angles, or linear pair angles, or adjacent angles. This is what we need to think a lot and apply. Then the question number 4. Here let me draw a diagram. Yes. Now see that here 110 degrees, here 130 degrees. Here is P, Q, S, T and this is R. So here the given that yes is PQ is parallel to ST. That means we have to extend this. Once you extend, you will get parallel lines. The extended lines you show with the dots. Yes. Now this PQ line is parallel to ST. Yes. PQ line is parallel to ST. Yes. Then angle PQR, angle PQR, angle P to Q, Q to R, this angle is equal to 110 degrees. And angle RST, yes, angle RST equal to 130 degrees. Yes, find here RTP. Find angle QRS, Q to R, R to S. This angle we need to find out. So how can we find out the angle QRS? Let's think here and we'll try to do it. This is what the question. Yes. Here, see that. First of all, let's go for. We'll draw one more line which is parallel to the given two parallel lines. Yes. Here, we'll draw a line L. Let us draw a line L which is parallel to PQ line and ST line. So here L is parallel to PQ, is parallel to ST. So what happens in this case? Let us see. Now here some of these angles. Yes. First here let us keep it like a and B and C. To be convenient to us, let us divide this angle or complete this angle like a B, C. So if here if PQ is parallel to L or L is parallel to PQ and QR is a transversal and QR is a transversal. Yes, here QR is intersecting these two parallel lines. So QR is a transversal. So sum of these two angles A plus 110 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal angles. Same side of the transversal angle. Then it's 180 degrees you transfer, 110 degrees you transfer the other side. So A equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. So where A equal to, you will get 70 degrees. A equal to what? 70 degrees. So A equal to 70. Then in the same way here also we will get, similarly here C plus 130 degrees. Okay, here then L is parallel to ST. Where L is parallel to ST. So C plus 130 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Then here the C equal to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees. And C equal to here 50 degrees. Yes, A equal to 70, C equal to 50 degrees. But here the angle at point R, but the angle at point R. So here A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees because L is a straight line. L is a straight line. L is a straight line. So A value already we know that is 70. B value we need to find out. Here C value is already, here we have got it, that is 50, that equal to 180 degrees. 70 plus 50, 120. So here B plus 120 degrees equal to 180 degrees. So what is B actually? What is B is? That is angle QRS. So angle B is nothing but QRS plus 120 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. This 120 degrees you transfer this side, angle QRS equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. Then angle QRS equal to 60 degrees. 60 degrees. So we got the answer now. That is what QRS we need to find out. So I hope you understood this problem also. Very simple. Sum of these two. A equal to 70, B equal to 50. 70 plus 50, 120. More we require 60. That is the answer. But mathematically we need a proof. So within a fraction of seconds we will get an answer. But the thing is here, we have to show it mathematically the proof. In this way we can show it. So if you know the process, then you can write easily. Solution we can show very easy. Then let's go for one more problem. Question number 5 here. Let me draw a diagram so that you can understand here clearly. M, N, B, X, this is Z, this is C, this is Y, this is A, yes, this is what is given. So let us see what is given actually, what we need to find out everything else right here, given that. In the adjacent figure, M is parallel to N. M is parallel to N. Yes. And A comma B are any 2 points on respectively. Yes, A and B are any 2 points and respectively, and M and N. A and B are any 2 points. A and B are any 2 points on lines M and N respectively. Then let's see as an interior angle. C is an interior angle between these two lines. Okay. Then the point between the L and M, find the angle here RTP. Find angle ACB, this angle we need to find, nothing but a Z value we need to find out. ACB, nothing but a value of Z we need to find. So let us do it very simple. Now the extra construction is required here. Draw a line L. So here we go for the proof. Let us draw a line L which is parallel to the given two parallel lines. Let us draw a line which is parallel to the given parallel lines. So that is L is parallel to M is parallel to N now. Here L is parallel to M is also parallel to N now. So in this case, now suppose let us assume this is A. Okay. Suppose this is assume like a and this is like a B. So here we know that when here L is parallel to M, here these two angles are equal. What is that? Then here ABC is a transversal and BC is a transversal. Yes. Here L is parallel to M and BC is intersecting these two parallel lines. So BC is a transversal. Then these two angles are known as the alternative integral angles. So here x equal to A or A equal to x because these two are what here? Alternative interior angles, alternative interior angles. Similarly, we can say that when L is parallel to N and here AC is a transversal, AC is a transversal. So what happens? See that B equal to Y, same alternative interior angles. So here we got it now. Now here Z is what actually? Here Z is nothing but the angle of A and B. Z equal to angle of A plus B. Z equal to nothing but A and B. The sum of A and B angle is nothing but a Z. So this Z angle I have divided the two parts. Upside of transversal, the upside of the line L and downside of the line L. So A and B. This Z equal to A plus B. So what is actually Z here? Z is nothing but an angle ACB. Angle ACB is nothing but a Z. A to C, C to B, that is Z, angle Z, that equal to, here A plus B I said. What is A equal to actually? That is X, plus what is B equal to? That is Y. Simple. Angle ACB equal to X plus Y. X plus Y. Angle ACB equal to this X plus Y. Simple. So I hope you understood these 5 problems. So in our next video, we'll learn some more problems from this exercise 4.3. Till that time, keep practicing the properties when two parallel lines, one transversal is there. About the corresponding angles, alternative angle, this all you need to learn more. Then only you can understand. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.